It's been a crazy month. I was only risking 0.25% of my trading portfolio, and I'm up 10% on my portfolio. So if I just risk 1% or 0.5% of my trading income, I would be easily up 20%. And the crazy thing is that all the stocks that I alerted in my YouTube videos are 100% win rate. So if you followed those stock alerts, you would be easily up 20% on your portfolio. And here's the trades that we took in our chat room. There's around 40 stocks with only 2 losers, which keeps us around very high win rate, more than 95%. For the first stock pick is on CLX. CLX was in our previous swing trade. I think it was in our first YouTube video. We bought here and we sold in this target range. And now it dipped again to our buying zone. I think it's a pretty good buying opportunity for a bounce back again. So this is our first trade. The second swing trade is on Kellogg's. Kellogg's have the same pattern. It was again in our swing trades. We bought and we sold in this target range. Now it dipped back to this buying zone. So I expect a bounce back around this area. There's an earning soon. So I'm a bit careful. So the second swing trade is on Kellogg's. The third swing trade is on gold. I think gold can be a really good swing trade here because it can be a hedge for our other positions in our portfolio. So I personally bought at this perfect dip and I'm looking for a bounce back around this area, around $24. It's currently not in our buying zone, so I think you should wait for a dip before getting into this trade. If you want faster alerts, you can join our chat room and you could get this dip. So the third trade is on gold. As we said, it's a great buying opportunity to hedge our other positions in our portfolio. Our fourth swing trade is on HOG, Harley Davidson. It has a pretty good setup for a bounce back. They had earnings at a drought, but now it's at this low of this channel. And stochastic RSI and all other indicators, the marker and MACD, showing a reversal opportunity. We got on this dip and it currently bounced around 6%, so I think you should wait for a pullback before getting in. So this is our buying range and I'm looking for a bounce back around $37. Here's the fifth swing trade opportunity. I'm not taking this trade, but for the guys who like risks, it can be a good opportunity. If you're going to buy FSLR, it's a good buying opportunity at this range for a bounce back around $110. I'm personally not buying, but it can be a good opportunity. Here's some watch lists that I have. The first one is on Lee. So if it dips around $28, I would buy for a bounce back around $32 to $35. There's some other positions that you can still buy. You can go to our chat room and type in positions buy, and the bot will answer you the stocks that you can still buy. And this is our positions that I'm still holding currently. Okay, it says I'm holding all the stocks with the unrealized P&L. So this is the stocks I'm holding, and you can manage all your trades just with this bot in this chat room. Here's some swing trades that reached target from our previous videos. The first one is MMM. Sorry for this mess. So we bought here and it made a perfect bounce back and it reached my second target to make more than 10% profit. Another great swing trade that was alerted in YouTube is BYND. Another great trade that was alerted here in YouTube is BYND. BYND was a great trade. I personally sold very early. I just made 20-30% on the stock. But if I waited few more days, it made 100%. It would have been few $1,000s profit, but it's okay. Profit is profit. I just want to say to be careful on the market conditions right now. SPY is currently super extended to the upward side, and you should not get surprised if it does a pullback to this area. So I just want to say manage your risk on your trades. You can manage your risk on these trades by typing, for example, manage risk, the stock name, for example, let's choose CLX, and your account value, for example, 100K. So the bot will say to lose maximum $1,000, which is 1% of your trading account, get in with 60 shares. So this is a great bout to manage your risk. So I wish you good luck and see you in the next video.